come clean and pronounce itself on why it has failed to contain the violence in Apaa. Former leader of opposition Betsy on Ocan, Agago North MP Amos Okot, and Kilak South MP Gilbert Olanya said the recent death of 2 people and the bow and arrows inspired counterattacks are due to the failure by the government to announce its hidden interest to evict people from the land.
The wake of the recent violent clashes that led to the death of 2 people in the contested Apaa land and the subsequent curfew imposed by security, a section of members of parliament from Acholi sub-region want the government to come clean on its intention for Apaa.
Government should be very clear and tell us what is there in Apaa.
People are being killed. There's no accountability about it. There's no compensation about it. And we have all been talking about this matter.
With a video circulating on the social media showing people carrying bows and arrows ready to counterattack, they also request that the Madi and the Acholi leaders to sit down on a round table and put an end to the bloodbath in Apaa.
The president has to intervene, and we have to see peace. And when the intervention is done, we need to continuously handle the situation until when we come to an agreeable position.
The Acholi leaders say they have met President Yoweri Museveni 24 times on the issue concerning the volatile situation in Apaa, but no lasting solution has been reached. They also claim that the unreported mineral deposits in the area could be the reason for the failure to resolve the Apaa conflict between the Acholi and the Madi people.
Who died, whose bodies were found? There are 104. 104. Those are whose bodies were found. But the families, many families are claiming that their person disappeared up to now. We registered about 56 families.
While many hint at the creation of a district in Apaa, the suggestion is seen as a loss for the Acholi people.
Do not rush with matters that I want to create a district for the people of Apaa so that they settle. Who are the people living in Apaa now? Who are they? These are the Rwandese, these are the Bagandas, these are the whatever, call them.
The contested Apaa land is a 40 square mile piece of land which originally belonged to Amoro district, but in 2017 it was declared by the Ministry of Local Government to be in Gimara district.
A total of 15,000 residents in Moyo